Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread on stove, updated. Use ripe bananas mashed smoothly. Mix eggs and sugar, then fold into dry ingredients. Pour into a greased skillet. Cover and cook on very low heat for 45 minutes while monitoring edges. Then rest for 15 minutes off heat before removing, slice carefully, and serve warm with butter or a light spread, enjoying a cozy stove-baked loaf. Gather bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, salt, and any mix-ins before you start, and preheat a heavy skillet on the lowest burner setting. Prepare by greasing the pan and trimming parchment to fit, then mash bananas leaving small chunks for texture. Whisk eggs and sugar until mixed. Combine wet and dry components gently to avoid toughness. Pour into the skillet. Level the batter, cover tightly, and begin the slow cook process. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen videos. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers you saw earlier, perfect for storing slices or leftovers and saving counter space. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to grab a set. I appreciate your support, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain patience while cooking. A low, steady heat yields an evenly baked loaf without a burnt bottom. If the pan seems too hot, lift it briefly or reduce the flame to protect the crust while the center sets. Rotate the skillet if your burner heats unevenly, and use a toothpick test or check that the center springs back slightly. Allow the bread to rest before slicing to finish setting and to preserve moisture and crumb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.